Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 and we are going to go over how you would replace your reverse light and a top marker light here on the back of your vehicle. So to start with, we need to just pop the hatch, and then there's a cover plate in there that we'll remove, and then we'll have access to replace these lights. And what you're going to see is this cover plate. There's one on this side and one on the other side. And we need to remove this cover to be able to replace. We pop that cover plate off, and now up inside here you'll see the two light connectors. The bottom one is your reverse light. Twist that a quarter turn to the left to be able to that to come undone. Then you can pull the light out, pull this light bulb out to be able to get a new one. And to get a new one for this one, this is a 921 light bulb. So you just get a new 921 and be able to insert it in the housing there, lock it into place, line up the two tabs, and lock that into place. And so that would be how you replace your reverse light bulb. And then while you're in here, if you're replacing the top clearance light, it's the same procedure. Just turn that a quarter turn to the left. Might be easier to just remove that one also at the same time, but you turn that a quarter turn to the left, be able to replace, pull out the housing, and get a new light bulb to replace this. And this light bulb here is your W5W, so you get a new W5W and be able to install it in there, press it in, and then be able to line this up in the housing here and twist and lock that into place. And with those locked into place, then we can go ahead and put this cover back on and snap that into place. And that would be how you replace your reverse light and a top side marker clearance light on your CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.